Hello guys, welcome to my channel Now Accounting and Financial Services. Here I'm going to teach you how to create a CRA My account. So everybody is, when you file a first time tax, you have a question how you can create your CRA account. So here in this video, I will teach you step by step and slide by slide how you can create your CRA account by yourself. Okay, on this slide, go to any browser and search my account for individual. When you search this my account for individual, you will see this page where you can see canada.ca. It's a CRA website. My account for individual CRA sign in. Okay, on this slide, when you click CRA My account for individual, you will see the options here how you want to register your account. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom and you can see sign into my account. There are different options to sign in, but you are only registering first time. So on the right side you can see register for my account. Click on the register for my account and there will another window pop up in front of you. So once you click on a CRA My account for register, you will see these options. You have to scroll down to the option 3. Option 3 you can see here. Option 3. In option 3, there are three types how you can register with the CRA. Register with the sign-in partner, register with the CRA user ID and password, register with the provincial partners. So I will recommend you to go for a register with the CRA user ID and password. Here you will get another user ID, your own user ID and password. But if you will click here on a register with the sign-in partner, so this link will direct you to any bank account. Bank account means when I like with the if you have an account with the Scotia Bank, TD Bank, BMO Bank, you have to click on any bank you have an account and then you can try logging in with the same user ID and password you have in a bank account. So I will not recommend you this. So try click on register with the CRA user ID and password. I will guide you how to create here. Okay, once you click there, you will see here first page where CRA is asking our information. Here on the first, okay, in the first question, it says required. So all three are required. All three you have to fill it. First is a social insurance number. So you are gonna enter your social insurance number. It's a 9 digit. Then is your date of birth. And then they are asking our tax information. So enter line 15,000 from your 2023. They will always ask your recent, but in another question they said return if you are recent, it means your 2023 tax return has not been assessed, then enter your 15,000 line from 2020, so the previous year. So if you don't have a 2023 or your recent tax return, then you can enter your previous income years. So for this to enter this amount, you should have a T1 with you. T1 is the document you can get from your tax preparer, your accountant who filed your tax for the recent year. So suppose I have filed your tax return, so you can ask me where is my T1? I need a T1. So on the T1, when you scroll down total income, step 2, total income, here you can see I have highlighted the part 15,000 line. So this is the line 15,000. This is not a amount. So here is the amount 434 something which I have to fill. Make sure you are not entering a cents. It says only dollar amount. So you have to enter only dollar amount, not a cents. So you are going to enter here 434. So enter here 434 and press next. Once you click next, there will be another tax information CRA gonna ask you. They can ask from any line, but on this tax return, they are asking for line 13,500. So 13,500 line is here, but there is nothing. So there is no amount. So you are going to fill here zero only zero. So you are going to, once you enter here zero, press next. On the previous window, whenever you enter next, there will be a option for a verification now. So there is a verification current postal code or zip code. So you are going to enter here your postal code. It's the postal code. You have used your address to file your recent tax return. So this is the postal code. This is not your postal code if you changed your address after filing your tax. So you are going to fill the same postal code you have used in your recent tax return. On this page, you will create your username and password, which you have to use every time whenever you try to log into your CRA account. After creating your username password, now you have to set up your security questions and answers. They're gonna ask you 5 questions and you have to select 5 questions. You can choose any and then you have to set up your answers as well. So once you enter there and press next, and now you have this screen verification option. So here you have two options. First is the in-track document verification, and in-track verification document is the immediate verification. It means you should have a Canadian ID, your license or your passport, any ID for a verification. So it should be a government issued identification to verify you immediately. But another option do you have is a CRA security code by mail. So this is the verification method where a CRA is gonna send you a letter with the verification key within 5 to 10 business days, or 5 to 10 business days. Sometimes it's take more than 5 to 10 business days, but sometimes they're gonna send before the time limit. So you will get this key in a mail at your address which has you used to file your recent tax return. So once you click there, you will be directed to the another window here. It is open in front of you now. It says multi-factor authentications. So this is mandatory enrollment. You have a three options: passcode grid, authenticator app. Either you have to install any authenticator app or you can use it by telephone. You have to enter your contact number here, your phone number, and then every time whenever you sign into CRA My Account, you will get a one passcode on your contact number in a text message, and you have to enter that code to log in yourself in a CRA My Account. Another option is a passcode grid. So if you select this option, CRA will give you a passcode grid, and every time whenever you try to log into your CRA account, you have to enter that. You must have that passcode grid to enter in the passcode whenever you try to log in there. So that's kind of difficult. I will recommend you to choose by telephone. So this is the best idea. Whenever you try to log in, you have your phone with you and you can enter your passcode whenever you get it. So after entering there, it will show in there CRA security code notification confirmation and everything you will receive in a 5 to 10 business day. Now you can press next. It's just a message notification for you that how many days it's gonna take to get your CRA security code. But if you have your license or any Canadian verification ID, you can do it immediate. And after that, whenever you choose that, you will not get this message. You will directly go to another slide, and at the end of your CRA My account and everything, they will ask you to scan your ID and everything. Okay, so now if you're choosing to register with the code, enter your code after 5 to 10 days in a mail, and you will get that code. You can see this message immediately after registering yourself with the CRA. You can see here you have limited access. It means you have a limited access with the CRA. You need to enter the security code, and you will get this code in a mail within 5 to 10 business day. It can be more as well. So you have to remember that whenever you get a code, you have to log in yourself in a CRA account, and then you can click here, enter your CRA security code, enter your code, and you will have a full access. Now you can see your all benefits and your upcoming payments. If you owe anything to CRA, or even you are getting your tax refund, you can access your notice of assessment from CRA account. All the information from the CRA you can have in your CRA account, and you can access that. Thank you for watching my video. To create your CRA account, follow for more updates.